Hey everyone, I'm Praveen and welcome to AI Sparks, where artificial intelligence meets innovation and excitement. On this channel, we spark curiosity and ignite imagination with AI powered insights, tutorials, and explorations. From machine learning to robotics, we'll dive into the future today. Imagine asking an AI which box is behind the chair, or can the robot safely pick up this object? Surprisingly, today's most powerful vision language models still struggle with these seemingly simple spatial reasoning tasks. Not because they cannot see, but because they cannot reason through space the way humans naturally do. Today, we'll explore SpatialClaw, an exciting new framework developed by Soichucho Ryo Hachiyama and the NVIDIA research team that completely rethinks how AI should solve spatial reasoning problems. Think about walking into your room. You instantly understand where objects are, which object blocks another, which direction someone is moving, and what will happen next. Humans do this naturally. AI doesn't. Most vision language models recognize objects, but fail to understand complex 3D relationships. Even adding external perception tools hasn't solved the problem. The bottleneck isn't only the tools, it's how the AI communicates with those tools. Previous AI agents typically work like this: ask one tool, get one answer, move on. But SpatialClaw asks, what if the AI could write Python code instead? Instead of selecting predefined tool calls, the model writes executable Python code, runs it, checks the results, updates its reasoning, and continues thinking. It transforms reasoning into an interactive programming process. One of SpatialClaw's biggest innovations is its persistent Jupyter kernel. Instead of restarting every reasoning step, the AI remembers everything it has already computed. Variables stay alive, images remain available. Intermediate calculations are reused. Just like a human scientist working inside a notebook, this makes reasoning far more efficient and flexible. SpatialClaw comes with powerful perception modules already loaded. These include SAM3 for segmentation, Depth-Anything-3 for depth estimation, geometry utilities, NumPy, SciPy, Matplotlib. Instead of treating these as isolated tools, the AI freely combines them inside Python code. It can inspect intermediate outputs, visualize results, and revise its strategy before producing the final answer. Every question follows an intelligent 5-step cycle. First, the planner designs a strategy. Next, the language model writes Python code. The code is checked for safety, then it's executed. The outputs, including images, variables, and text, become new observations. The AI repeats this process until it is confident enough to call return answer. Instead of guessing, it reasons step by step. Performance is where SpatialClaw truly shines. The researchers evaluated it on 20 different spatial reasoning benchmarks. These covered single image reasoning, multi-view scenes, video understanding, and complex 4D spatial tasks. Across every benchmark, SpatialClaw consistently outperformed previous approaches. Its average accuracy reached 59.9%. That's an impressive 11.2-point improvement over the previous best spatial reasoning agent. Another remarkable aspect is flexibility. SpatialClaw isn't tied to a single foundation model. It works across multiple vision language models, including Gemma and Quen, from relatively small models all the way to nearly 400 billion parameter systems. Even more impressive, the researchers use the same prompt, the same tools, and the same hyperparameters across all experiments. No benchmark specific tuning. This paper isn't simply about adding more tools, it's about changing the interaction itself. Instead of asking what tools should AI use, SpatialClaw asks, how should AI think while using those tools? That subtle shift creates dramatically better reasoning. Code becomes the language of thought. Spatial reasoning is essential for robotics, autonomous vehicles, Arkansas, VR, and embodied AI. SpatialClaw shows that sometimes improving intelligence isn't about building bigger models, it's about giving models a better way to think. And perhaps the future of AI agents won't rely on fixed tool calls at all. Instead, they'll reason through executable code, one thoughtful step at a time. If this is where spatial AI is heading, the next generation of intelligent agents may be far closer than we think. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment which AI system you want to build next. Stay sparked. See you in the next video.